Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. Everything nowadays is getting automated. Everything from the backups in our mobile phones and doors of our homes to our offices and almost every part of our automobiles. Anything that automates specific tasks, executes them with speed and precision, and performs the job with little or no human interference is a robot. A robot is a human-made machine that works on automation and delivers the work efficiently. Robots are useful in security, agriculture, healthcare, and space exploration. One of the fields is TV and film media, where robots come in handy. Robots help hold the camera and shoot the same scene with the same angle multiple times. Robots also turn out to be useful for shooting intense action scenes, forming top-quality material for the audience. It provides in-house entertainment and brings life into inanimate things by making action scenes realistic.
Number 3. Astro Robot.
This Astro Robot by Amazon is mainly designed for household purposes. It keeps you and your home closer and connected by pairing itself with Alexa. Advanced navigation technology has been used in the robot to navigate the way and get accustomed to its surroundings. Astro sends you an alert whenever it comes across an unrecognized person or hears any abnormal or irregular sounds when you are away from home. Astro ensures that you are always remotely connected to your home. You can ask Astro to obey your commands and set important work reminders. Put Alexa in motion. Astro can follow you with entertainment or find you to deliver calls, messages, timers, alarms, or reminders. It can even tell if there is a break-in in your house and other similar threats. Respecting the user's privacy is the topmost priority of any machine, and Astro highly appreciates it. You can turn off the microphone, cameras, and motion sensors with a single press.
Number 2. Vector Robot.
A vector robot is a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence robot. It is more than just your friend. It is independent and can provide you with all the information you ask for. The vector robot can sense the surroundings and dodge obstacles, and provide you with weather updates and take photos with its unique sensors. It has 4 microphones and can detect the direction from where the sound is coming. It can even set a timer if you do not want to reach your office late or eat overcooked food. Powered by AI and advanced robotics, he's alive with personality and engaged by sight, sound, and touch. Vector Robot uses advanced technology to cope with users' needs. It only requires a small space to accommodate itself and get charged up. This one is meant to be an active robot that roams around freely in your surroundings. Just by saying, "Hey Vector," it will answer your questions and obey your commands. Higher camera resolution. Vector's new 5MP camera will enhance his facial recognition, improving his ability to recognize pets and even know when you are smiling.
Number 1. Miko.
Miko is another personal robot that has proved to be helpful and diverse in the field of learning. It aims to bring out the best technology and develop young minds through education. Miko has come up with a Miko 3 robot that, by using artificial intelligence, promotes learning and educates as well as entertains kids. It shows and reacts to your emotions the same way a living being would respond to them. Miko can dance, crack a joke, and enlighten your mood. The more you spend time with Miko, the more it will know you and vice versa. It will adapt according to your requirements. Moreover, Miko is secured and gives you the private space you deserve. It also gives you limitless access to video calls so that the parent is never far away from their kid and can always keep track of the kid's emotional growth. This robot supercharges kid potential with its advanced brain, supportive personality, and range of educational STEAM content. In fact, kids who actively use Miko have seen a 55% increase in engagement with the platform's academic activities.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.